Hello everyone. Every Saturday I have come up with a solution of your problem. So today I will discuss a very important problem, or you can say a requested video. How to write a research paper for a fresher. And if you are one among them, then you must watch this video till the end, because here I am going to share all the detailed information starting from the scratch. First, you need to identify what are the different types of research paper, or you can say what are the different type of writing article. Now here, as a fresher, I will mention few of them among this. First, case study. Second, review paper. Third, the research paper. Fourth, you are having article writing, and likewise you are having different types. So in this video, I will give you the detailed discussion where to start, how to start, and what are the steps or what are the necessary steps that you have to take care of it. Okay? So without wasting much time, let's get started. First and foremost, you should know the difference between research paper, review paper, and case study paper. Now, research paper is something you are using some innovative idea, some innovative technique to find a different result on a certain specific object or any idea. Let's decide you are going to focus a design of a way. Now you are making some modification in the nomenclature of an airfoil. Now in that you have made some techniques, you have made some innovation, you have made some changes in the design, and you are getting a good output from the changes. So that is in a layman's word, it's a research. Now how to validate, how to analyze that? There are a lot many techniques. You can use CFD technique, computational technique, you can use numerical methods, you can use some experimental method. So which path line will you follow? It's up to the user or up to the designer. So this is moreover like innovating something new. Now as a fresher, it's not that easy to innovate. So that is my recommendation. You can either go for review paper or a case study. Now what is review paper? Now let's continue with the same example, a blade design. Now blade design can be of variety. It can be a wind turbine blades, it can be compressor blade. There are a number of blades. Now you are going to give a good study about the different blades and their aerodynamic profile. What are the materials they use? What is their size, shape, manufacturing cost? So all those informations you are gathering up together, expressing in your own words, and also to find out what are the future application or what are the future progress it can be performed for the upcoming days, or the upcoming researcher, how they can proceed or succeed their research path on the design of blade or the blade design. So this is something about the review paper. Now case study is basically for the freshers. This is an initial stage, you can say. It's an initial stage, or moreover a literature survey, data collection or data science, and which also initiate to portray the future work. So if you are a beginner, my suggestion will be go for the case study. And there are certain journal where you can publish your work as a case study paper. There is nothing wrong publishing a case study paper. So this is a general difference between review paper, research paper, and the case study. Now article writing, so whatever you are writing, whatever the paper you are writing, ensure one thing, there should not be any copy paste thing. It should be the words, complete words should be your own words. Nothing should be copied from anywhere. So you're expressing through your own words. But at the same time, it should not be like you're changing the meaning. change the meaning, it should keep intact. But the way of expressing the words, you can modify them. Now, another point where most of the students get stuck: how to choose the topic. Which topic should they choose? They should choose propulsion, whether they choose material, they choose aerodynamics. Now, this is one of the core thing, and the topic is nothing, is the areas of interest. Now you might have an interest on designing an engine, you might have designing an aircraft, you might have like something how actually the flight mechanism systems, the system engineering of an aircraft, right? So once you started doing the case study, once you're doing the reviewing, you are studying lot many papers, fine, so you will get some idea what are the future techniques can be applied and which is done, which has not been done. So then you will get some your bridge, the gap, the research gap which is yet to be done. So once you figure out the research gap through the case study, through your reviewing the article, so automatically next step is going to be your research paper. So but this is the point where most of the students, even some of the research scholar, get wrong. But it's not possible for anyone until and unless they study what are the existing thing or existing work has been done. Do you know that there are a lot many data which is not available? So if you take an initiative to collect the data and publish it in some kind of mathematical formulation, maybe some correlation, regression, that can be a paper. Second, after you done that, go for the review. Okay, suppose I have given a topic like blade. So blade of different types, each blade's use of different material, different purposes. So you just carry out some research on that. So that you can find there itself, you can find what are the pros and cons, what are the gap, what can be done, the extension of work, what are the possible extension of work can be done, and there may be some drawbacks and how you can overcome the drawbacks as well. So you will get the clarity once you do the case study and review paper. Then the next step becomes easier as a research paper. Now, what is the purpose of writing a research paper? If you want to know about that and what are the things, how you can write a case study, how you can write a review paper. If you want me to make a separate video, write in the comment box. So as I have said, every Saturday I will come up with your solution of your problem, and that's how I'm here. So alright, if you like this video, if you find informative, so don't forget to share this video with the needy fellows, and like, share and subscribe.